Hi, good to all of you. Welcome to our session. Welcome to our channel Intelligible Tutorials. In this session, now we are going to discuss what are the various kinds of the system calls. In the previous session, we discussed what is the meaning of the system call, what are the various services offered by the system call, all the things we have seen. Now in this particular session, we are going to see what type of the system calls offered by the Linux operating system. See, the first one is process control. In the process control, we are having fork, exit and wait system calls. Fork is nothing but for creation of the new process from the existing process, and next one is nothing but exiting, and next one is waiting for the process. Okay, a process can be wait with the help of the wait system call, and a process can complete its action with the help of the exit system call. The next one is file manipulation. For file manipulation, you can open a file, you can read a file, and you can close a file with these three system calls. And the next one is device manipulation. Device drivers, device handling. For that, we use some special kind of the system calls. The one is IOCTL, the second one is open. And the third one is information maintenance. For information maintenance, for sending the information from one user to another user, we use some kind of the alarms and sleep system calls. And for communication, we use pipe and memory map. And for protection, we use chmod and umask. Like that, the Linux operating system provides not only these, so many various number of the system calls the Linux operating system will provide. Only I have listed here only few important things only I have listed here. Apart from this, we have so many number of the system calls offered by our Linux operating systems. Thank you.